Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to speak specifically about the dark posts section of Post Engage. Okay, so again, of course, if you followed along with the Post Engage section, you'll notice you have to have your correct fan page selected in order to pull these dark posts. Now, the dark posts are basically any posts that are not published to your page. Okay, so your ads in your ad manager, as well as any other posts that you've posted to your fan pages and then later boosted, should display here. Now, Facebook allows us to pull up to 100 of these posts. Okay, so you will basically get the last 100 dark posts that you've created. Okay, so how we do it is pretty simple. All we're going to do is go ahead and make sure we're clicking on the dark posts area, and we'll click manage dark posts. And what you're going to see is a modal that's going to display all of your dark posts to you in order of newest to oldest. Okay, now you can search through these as well. You will be able to search, it'll search by the name field. Okay, and what we're displaying here is just an image, the name, the create date, and then the ID. Okay, so if I wanted to kind of narrow things down, I could do so, and all I need to do is just click that row. Okay, and as you're going to see, it's added the preview basically of this particular ad, and it is going to so all the settings are exactly the same as they are for any regular Post Engage. So I'm not going to go through all of those right now. So if you have not watched the Post Engage tutorial, please do so, and it will explain what all of these do. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the conversation on. I'm going to make sure I have my non-subscriber message. So you know this. How are you? Let's just do that for a test here. I'm going to get a keyword in there. So for in this purpose here, I'm just going to say test dark, and I'm going to have it send immediate. And I'm going to go ahead and select a message for those subscribers. So those who are subscribed will get this. The non-subscribers will get this message here. And I'm just going to hit save. Okay, so now once I've saved that, the best way that you can test this is when somebody comments this test dark, in this case, on that ad, it is going to either send them, if they're an existing subscriber, they're going to send them this conversation. If they're not, they're going to get this message right here. Okay, so how you can do that in your ads is you can basically go to the particular ad that you've created and just choose desktop newsfeed here, and then just hit this little preview button. And what you can do is you can do see post, you can Facebook post with comments, okay? And what that's going to do is going to open this up, and you're going to be able to see the preview, okay? So now what I can do here is, I'm going to pause that, and what I can do here is then just comment on that this particular post just to make sure that it is everything is working. And I believe it was test dark. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and send that. All right, now, in just a second here, we should see the actual message come through. All right, let's take a look, and there it is right there. So it's how are you? That is the non-subscriber message because I was not a subscriber to this particular page, okay? Now, it's also going to show you a little preview of your ad, and Facebook does that automatically, okay? So once I've seen that, and you then get somebody to respond to that, I'm going to say, you know, fine, okay? And what we're going to do then is go take a peek at our subscribers. And there I am. Okay, so now you can see that I was added as I was a non-subscriber, now have been added as a subscriber once I've interacted with that messenger from that ad. So it's very simple to get these things set up for dark posts. Now, if you have any questions, please go ahead and email us at support@segmateapp.com.